So this is the PMD Personal Microderm. So what this is supposed to do is it is supposed to give you the same types of results that you would get if you were to go and get a professional in-office microdermabrasion treatment. Now it's supposed to help smooth and even out your skin tone and also texture, and is also supposed to reduce the appearance of any fine lines or wrinkles, blemishes, or even enlarged pores. And it's supposed to help your makeup glide on nicer, and it's also supposed to help the skincare that you use on a regular basis to penetrate deeper, and therefore hopefully it will work better. So it comes with this instruction manual, which this is only a small portion of the instruction manual. It says right here, attention, watch the training video. So it does come with more in-depth instructions on how to use it, so you do want to make sure that you follow the directions very carefully, so that way you know that you are using the product safely and effectively. So opening this up, here is the actual PMD. Now this is not only for your face, you can also use it on the body, in places like your arms or your legs, pretty much almost anywhere that you would want to have some smoother skin. So this is the top that you would use for the body. And then over here you have, sorry, trying to get it out. This is the one for your face. And then right here is the training disc, which they recommend that you use first so that you make sure that your skin can handle it before moving up to the discs that are a little bit more harsh. So it does come with a few other options that you can work up to. You have the gray ones, the green ones, and also some blue ones in this specific set. So looking at the manual, you see here that the white training disc, this one is used to test your tolerance and also to practice getting used to how to use the device. And then the blue disc is good for sensitive skin. Green disc is medium strength abrasion. So in this little box, you get the charger. So that is that part of it. So those are all of the things that are included in this set. So make sure to follow the directions very carefully and enjoy coming across some smoother and more even skin.